Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to subtract two given numbers using Kotlin programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here function main, val num1, we have 50 and 10. Actually, I have already run it before, so let's say we can have 40 and then we can have 30. So to subtract, val result equals num1 minus num2. So printf result of subtracting $num2 from $num1 is result, and then begin. Okay, let us click the play button here. Let us wait for the compiling process to place. By the way guys, I'm using community edition, no, IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ IDEA 2023.1 community edition in writing this program. Okay, so the resulting of subtracting 30 from 40 is 10. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to subtract two numbers using Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.